New variable in a Panda data frame which counts consecutive values. I have a Panda data frame, which is imported from Excel, is made up of two variables. F is just a number. The other is a boolean for if the number is out the range. I want to create a new variable which counts consecutive true values. I read a little online and I think the new variable could use consecutive counts, but I am not sure how to implement it into this data frame. The final data frame should look something like this. I am very new to Python, so sorry if the question isn't worded correctly.
I have used my own data as the input. Column A corresponds to your outrange column and B corresponds to count column. Please test with your actual data.
Use vectorized solution with replace t values. Performance.
Perhaps easier with a dictionary.
If you want to support the channel, please